Tailor brands versus Canva for branding. Which one should you choose? Tailor brands overview. All-in-one branding suite, AI logo maker, business name generator, and website builder. Auto-generates brand kits, logo, colors, fonts, business cards, and even LLC setup. Geared for entrepreneurs and new business owners. And paid plan starts around $9.99 a month. Canva overview. Canva can drag and drop design platform. Massive templates library for social media, presentations, logo, and more. Offers brand kit, but you must design everything yourself. Collaboration friendly for teams and has free plan available. Pro is $14.99 per month. Logo creation. Tailor Brands uses AI. Canva offers customizable templates. Ease of use. Tailor is more automated, while Canva gives you full creative tools and control. Brand kit. Both offers brand kit. Tailor auto-generates, while Canva lets you build yours. Business tools. Tailor brands includes LLC formations, website, and domains. Design and flexibility. Canva wins for flexibility and versatility, which is better for you. Choose Tailor brands if you want fast, automated branding with business tools built in. And choose Canva if you want total creative control and already have your brand's strategy mapped out. Both are powerful, but it depends on your needs. Tailor brands for plug and play identity, while Canva for full design freedom. And that's it.